Inconceivable!
Hi, boys! Have fun storming the castle!
One word to describe comp was exciting.
Stressful sometimes, but fun.
Awesome.
Fun.
Tiring.
Wild.
Defense.
Oh, Luke defense.
Awesome.
Tiring.
Fun but tiring.
Productive.
Fun.
Weird.
Inspiring. Mind-boggling.
Busy.
Donuts.
Tiring.
Exciting.
Exhilarating.
And your alliance captains from Rochester, team 5, 10, 15, 20.
My favorite team there, I loved working with 6419 Colonel Chaos.
Rogue.
Wildcard.
Wildstein.
Mustangs.
Mars.
111.
Citrus Circuit. Either Wildcard or Mars Wars.
Team 2530.
2531 because of their buttons.
9082.
2531. Trino. They were cool.
Neutrino. Ironclad because of their little dinos.
Ironclad.
Neutrinos.
My favorite team is the team of volunteers that got the field set up and managed the whole thing the whole time and then took it all down.
One takeaway. I'd say.
That you can cool the motors with air pressure containers.
Strategy subs team worked well.
The intake needs to explode less. Timer's not nearly as important as we thought.
Medium boxes suck.
I need Monster. If you volunteer, you get good food.
Scouting could have been better.
Scouting could have been better. We need to motivate our scouters.
Shoot on the fly.
Consistency.
Nothing's gonna be perfect this first try.
Climbers at work.
Odometry.
We need to have a faster unload cycle. Autos are very important.
Need more time before. Resiliency.
Teamwork gushed through in the end.
Our robot has a lot of potential. We just have to realize it.
50, 20, 25, 30. I get to do this all the time. It's so much fun. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Leadership Award finalists. Congratulations to Julian L, Team 25-30.
Oh, hi. I'm Arden. I'm like robot build lead, I think. Okay, robot update. We got like an actual intake on here. Crazy. We can like pick up balls. Oh yeah, we put the hopper on and like fix the walls. And we're currently messing around with like what we put on the spindexer just to like try to prevent jams and get balls in as efficiently as possible. Okay, so we also got like this turret here. You should go watch our behind the our pit stop video on Fun Robotics Network. Yeah, so it does that. Currently, it can point at the hub from wherever in our alliance zone. Right? Roughly. What does the robot think about this? Incredible comments, thank you. Over the course of the competition, we logged about 30 failures. Here, you want to show the camera? Okay. We logged about 30 failures using our FMEA process. So now that we're like back at the shop and have time to like think instead of having to fix it in 5 minutes before the next match, we're having people go through and look at each failure in detail, figure out what went wrong, why it went wrong, and then how we can fix it in the future and stop it from happening in the future so that it doesn't happen again at 10K.
Hi, I'm Pranya. I'm the program manager of the team. It's been quite a while since we did one of these vlogs, but since then we had our week 0 scrimmage, and in between the last vlog and week 0, we rebuilt our intake and designed pretty much a completely new one. And then we also changed our hopper material, and we had a lot of robot iterations. And week 0 went pretty well. We figured out the major changes we wanted to make for our robot. We came back, we rescoped and prioritized what we wanted to work on for Bluff Country. Bluff Country was a ton of fun. We were super happy to win the Industrial Design Award for our reliability processes and practices we've implemented, and also our amazing graphics. And we placed 5th as the captain of the number 5 alliance. So big thank you to 6419 Colonel Chaos and 9082 No Limit. It was super fun being alliance mates with you guys. And we learned even more about our robot, and now looking forward to 10,000 Lakes Regional, which is our next competition and a week 4 competition. So we have about 2 weeks. We came back again, we looked at our failures, our FMEA and everything. We thought about what we wanted to change. We planned out our upgrades, and we use a Gantt chart for project management. And so we're really planning out every day so that we can make as much use of our time as possible. And we're excited to be competing soon again, and we're looking forward to it.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.